Hi friends, I am Ankit and today we will talk on common mistakes we do after our mobile phone is lost or misplaced. If your mobile phone is stolen and you are alone or at some lonely place, then first you need to call your friend or police for help. Never risk yourself to track or find your lost mobile phone. In some cases we waste lot of time doing nothing and after long time we use services like find my phone device on internet. And due to delay in using these services we don't able to find exact location of our lost mobile phone. If you don't know about find my device service, then you can see video on it. Video link is in description and in I button on right side corner of the screen. Third mistake we do that we don't block incoming and outgoing call for long time of our SIM number which we are using in lost mobile device. This may increase your mobile bill or also there is possibility that your mobile number may be used in some illegal activity. Fourth mistake we do that if our SIM number which we are using in lost mobile phone is not important to us, then we don't do its police complaint, which in case of misuse of our lost mobile device or lost mobile number in some illegal activity in future, then we come in a serious legal trouble. So police complaint is a legal requirement and should be done. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.